Hello people and welcome to Feed the Beast Ultimate Modpack Let's Play episode 6, and this episode we continue where we left off. So right immediately we made liquid tesseracts, chunk loaders last episode, and now we are doing tanks, and I'm talking about railcraft tank. So where's our rolling machine? Now tanks are made from iron, and thus we need plenty of it. So let's place it over here. I just removed the pipe and just place like so. Now, oh, it's actually 4. I don't know if you remember. I think 4 will be enough because these machines are full, almost full. So let's plug it. So last couple of editions this was free, so I don't know why. Probably GregTech changed it and they changed it back to 4. So pretty sweet, nice, I love it. Now next part, we will need glass, and let's go over here. We will need glass panes. So let's go over here and see the components. So we need iron tank wall, multi-block, iron tank gauge, that is this, and we will need, of course, iron tank valve, never mind. Okay, so let's get a stack of this, should be fine, and let's get 4 levers, right? Or 5, 6, never mind, it's okay, okay. Now let's check out the progress, and I don't have any more lava. I need lava and lava. I need plenty of lava. It's a good thing that I decided to go with it. Okay, 48 for now. Let it work. Now we will need to craft plenty of this. So let's take 44, 48, no problem, should be enough. And now we will just wait for the others to be finished. Now this is wall, and we will need plenty of those too, so I don't know if I have enough iron. I actually didn't put any free iron over here, not enough. Iron 30 over here, and did I pulverize some? Oh yeah, I'm pulverizing. Okay, I have only 6. Let's see this, 24. Okay, maybe it will be here and then. Never mind, I will make even more. Let me do that right now, like so. Sure. So this is iron tank wall, and how do the iron tanks work? Well, this is the railcraft, as I already mentioned. Let's take even more. Let's place it. I think it goes like no. Oh yeah. Haha. Forgot. Okay, made some iron bars, and now we can get our iron tank valve. Nice. So I will see if I will probably need way more of this. I have made really too much of this block things, but let me do this some more, and sure, why not. I will see if I will have enough materials. Probably not. Okay, never mind, and that should suffice. Okay, let me go here and check it. By the way, I made a new sword. It's pretty sweet. And diamond. Okay, now I have marked this as a center, so here will go the valve. Maybe I will need something downstairs, so I place it over here. Now, how do these iron tanks work? Well, they are multi-block structures. Basically, almost as anything now in Railcraft. Not everything, but yeah, never mind. So, the way you build it is you need to place these iron tank walls around, that is to make a structure like this. So iron tanks can be built in 3x3, 5x5, 7x7 and I think 9x9. So, and they can be built up to 8 high. I think that it hasn't changed though. So let's see, 3, 4, 5. And let's go with, should I go with 6? This will be the floor. And yeah, sure, why not 6? Never mind. Probably I will have enough. Hopefully I will have enough. I was worried that I had too much of this. And you go here. And who would say? Great. Now I need to place this gauges over here, and the way I will place them is like so. You probably could. Oh yeah, I need to place one over here, one on top, and surround this. Maybe I should make a couple more. You never know how much balls you will need. Balls. Oh, can't even pronounce it correctly. Okay. Actually I cannot craft them because I spent everything. Oh, never mind. I will add if needed, so no problem there. Now, how do these structures work? Well, these walls have two purposes. One purpose is, of course, to transport liquids, that is, transfer liquids into the tank, and the other is to transfer from the tank. Now, of course, you need to put liquid from the top, so this will be the input and this will be the output. You can't place them over here because they have nowhere to draw it for, so. And then you place just these gauges. I think that's the correct way to pronounce it. You put these gauges just to, like, well, seal it, of course. So this is the whole structure of a tank. As I said, it can be smaller. Now immediately you see that the texture has changed. So if I break this, if I select it, right click it, we won't do anything. Soon as I place it, we have a correct structure which can input 2,400,000 of well, I don't know if it's liters or what of liquid. Now this is actually 2,400 buckets, so it will be plenty. Now what I will do is place a golden pipe over here, and I will place a liquid tesseract over here. Now tesseracts have a very simple interface, and a very good one actually. Now this over here is the same as all the machines that we used before, like polarizer and everything, so control is different. And over here you have a different interface. Now if you are on a server, you will definitely choose this, owner only. I choose it all the time because it's, well, it's good to be used to it. Now that's simple, public or owner only. Now this other button is for send or receive. Now it can send and receive depending on what it needs to do, and I will set it to receive only, and that's about it. Now let's think of some frequency like 111 and name it Lava. Sure, why not? That's it. So set frequency over here and save frequency over here, and you see this like enderic, like enderic like little animation, and that means that it's active. So this is set. Now next step is to go to the Nether. Okay, so we're in the Nether now. The important part is to find a suitable location. I mean, lava is everywhere, but I'm searching for a larger area. And good thing is I haven't checked how much do I have power left in my jetpack. Okay, it's full. So why is that? Because pumps usually pump a large area, so this should be and I didn't take, like, this should be okay for starting. Let's do this. Oh, this actually can explode, so watch out for these ores. I mean, they're okay, but they can really blow up sometimes. So, and I haven't taken any cobblestone. Bravo for me. Okay, let's do just this. And oh, ghasts. Oh, no, back. Ghast, I will kill you. I kill you. Yes. Did I get a ghast here? Ghast here. Yes. Okay. It was actually worth it. And once I'm here, let me take some of this netherrack to use for construction, because, well, ghasts want to attack and blow up everything, so that's not actually good. Everything in Nether blows up. Ugh. Okay. Oh, I have plenty of it now. Super. Now back to here. Oh, what's with this lag? Ugh. Okay. Let's... Oh, come on. Why aren't you listening to me? I don't know what's wrong with this jetpack. It's kind of all messed up. Okay, so just build a platform, slightly bigger one, to place our pump and everything. Everything is slowed down. I don't know why. Okay, never mind. Now, let's just protect ourselves from ghasts, and let's actually do one more row over here. Okay, this should be fine. Probably they won't go up there. Okay, now to place a pump, just do like this. Pump here, and now we'll place 4 engines over here. I'm starting with normal redstone engines, and I will build my way up to another ones, but all in time, all in good time. Now just place a waterproof pipe. It doesn't need to be a wooden one, and let's set up. So owner only. Now, as you can see, it has shown. So this is important for servers. If you leave it on owner, no one will see it in public. When you press owner, you can see your own, well, setting. Now it's send only. Click it, set frequency, and tada! This is all set up. One more thing is left. Place a chunk loader. Now, chunk loaders actually have been fixed a little bit, and all the laser stuff and everything that I will show you in a minute is also fixed. So now when you press show lasers, lasers will show you the area that this chunk loader loads. Now this is okay, but we want slightly more, so hide lasers, radius 3, 25 chunks. Now, as you can see, it's quite larger area. You can pump it up. I think, I don't know what is the maximum radius, but it's a lot. So yeah, look at this, 361 chunk. Okay, we don't need that, we need just this basic one. So that's the area that we will cover. And if we look now at the pump, it will slowly start to drain lava into our tank. But the problem is we haven't set it up, the chunk loader, also in the overworld. So lava will basically stay now. So let's do that. Okay, in overworld, and let's go and set up. Now, where am I going to? As you can see, lava is already being pumped into our tank. So 7 buckets already, nice. Let's place trunk loader maybe upstairs. Yeah, it will be a lot safer over here. So let's just place it over here. And let's say, oh sure, this is nice area. Pretty sweet. So why, maybe you're asking, why isn't it showing like over here, the green, well, the green marker? Well, I don't know if this map has that option. Let me just check. Details, performance, chunk grid. Yes, chunk grid. So as you can see on the minimap up there, now the chunk actually starts over here. This is the center of the chunk where this one is. So he's now in the corner basically. So he starts from the center and goes around the chunk where he is. So it can be like over here, over here, over here, depending where you set it up. So, well, small explanation. Now to the next part. What? Oh, let me just turn off this lasers, we don't need them. So lava is pumped up in there. Next step is to craft some more of these geothermal generators, and that I will do off camera since you already seen how I did them. Now I have here 4 geothermal generators. Now I need to grab this too. Now the problem is, if I break them with a pick or with something else, these generators will become normal generators, so, or machine blocks depending on the situation. So there needs to be a special tool to get it. So it's called a wrench. Now you have a small chance to break them with this wrench, but there is another wrench, electric wrench. You saw me use this in the past, so that's why I need the steel. But I need for more stuff, of course, but this is one of the things. So I need 4 steel, 1, as you can see the options are very, very broad. Now I need 1 electronic circuit and 1 battery. So let's craft everything. Let's craft more copper cabling because I need a bunch of them and really don't have a lot of them. This should be enough. Plenty for now. Plenty. Let's craft more electronic circuits, so placing 6 copper cables, 2 electrum ingots, 1 refined iron, and get a bunch of you. Now 1 copper cable like this, 4 of you and 2 of you, and I get a battery over here, and we got ourselves an electric wrench. Now of course you need to charge it since it's electric, and now you have to do this. So if I go on the generators like this, I mean just shift right click them, they can also become generators. But if I do this, press M and right click, which doesn't work for some reason. Let me check this out. Okay, so for some reason M key doesn't work. Usually it works, So that's why on my jetpack you see me just jumping around and not using a hover mode. And now, when it's in normal mode, wrench has the same, well, same percentage of breaking the machine as a normal wrench. But when you press this, when you change the mode, lossless wrench mode enabled, and now you won't lose your machine ever. But as you can see, it drains a lot, and it drains quite a lot. Whoosh. Okay, so now the geothermal generators go in here, so we have 6 of them. Now geothermal generators are generators, wait, geothermal or thermal, yep. Now geothermal generators produce 20 energy units per tick from one lava bucket, and they create 20,000, I think 20,000 EUs at, yeah, from one lava bucket you get 20,000 EUs at 20 energy units per tick. But if you craft a thermal generator, it will produce 30,000 EUs from one lava bucket, and it will produce it like by 24 energy units per tick. So faster energy and more energy, that is more efficient. Now they require geothermal generators and 2 electronic circuits, 5 invar ingots, and this reinforced glass. It's a rather expensive recipe, but definitely it pays out. So let me get 2 of you and place just normal glass with advanced alloy, and you get 7 reinforced glass. Now place a geothermal generator over here, electronic circuits. Let's get some invar ingots, which are already prepared, and we get thermal generators. Pretty sweet. Now of course we will need more cabling, right? So let's get 2. And we'll need more diamonds fast. Electrum ingots. Sweet. Okay, is it nighttime? Yes it is, but never mind. So let's go over here. I want to place these generators somewhere like maybe like this, maybe like this, and then energy storage unit will be over here probably, or place like 2 rows and go from there, or maybe place just a whole row. Okay, so they will be placed over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sweet. Now I will connect them to glass fiber cables, and my energy storage unit will be over here, and then it will go up. Over there will have our machines. Now how we will connect this lava tank with these machines? Well, thermal expansion to the rescue. Usually we used Buildcraft, normal Buildcraft pipes, waterproof pipes, but now there's an even better solution to that. So let's get this hardened glass, and let's get some copper. I think I have over here, yeah, some copper ingots. Now let's get even more, 4 of them, and it will be plenty. Sweet. 12 liquid ducts. Now all I need is a lever. So oh yeah, I have lever on me, which is pretty sweet. Now let's go over here. So liquid ducts, I still don't know how to pronounce it. Ugh. Now as you can see, they are empty now. They don't draw by their own. They don't require an engine, which is why I chosen them. and they are really quite more efficient also. So they don't require an engine to draw from them, they just require a redstone signal. So let's place a lever here, and tada, nothing happens. Why? Liquid ducts actually have an interface. Now when they are like in this default position, as you can see, this full yellow like square or something, they only receive. But when you do this, you can see like some kind of a small arrow pointing to this direction. It means this will draw. So when we put the redstone signal, tada, they immediately draw lava, and they fill up to 10 buckets. Pretty sweet. I'll turn this off and it will stop. Once they fill out, as you can see, they stopped. Sweet. Now what we need next, of course, we need somewhere to store this power, and spiders are everywhere. Ugh. Okay, no entry. Now this is kind of a bigger project, and we will need a lot of stuff over here. So I will need you, I will need you, I will need more electronic circuits, even more electronic circuits. So let's craft some more. That should be plenty. And now what I need to do, place 2 electronic circuits, place 1 sapphire, and place lapis like this, and I get lapatron crystals. Hoorah! Most of you who played a lot of FTB know already what I'm going to build. I need 4 rubies. Oh, who is it? Die. Okay, don't interrupt. So I'm gonna build a MFSU, which is the largest tier storage from IC2. Now I'm gonna need a couple of stuff. Of course, I'm gonna need energy crystals, normal energy crystals, and I'm gonna need golden cables. And where? Oh yeah, over here. So I need 2 times insulated gold cable, and of course I need a machine block. Actually I need 2. Let me show you. So MFSU, here it is. We need 6 lapatron crystals, 1 advanced machine block, which is crafted with a machine block, 2 advanced alloys, and 2 carbon plates, which I will get right now, and MFSU, MFE, and advanced circuit. Now let's go back over here, and let me actually grab you. So next thing, machine block, 2 advanced alloys, and 2 carbon plates will give us an advanced machine block. Now place 2 times insulated gold cable, place 4 energy crystals, and a machine block. This will give us MFP. Now electronic circuit, place it over here, place 2 lapis, 2 glowstone, and 4 redstone, and we get an advanced circuit. Place an MFE, place advanced machine block, 6 lapatron crystals, and we have ourselves an MFSU. Sweet. So largest tier. Here I go. Here I come, that is. Let's break this for just a moment. Now MFSU is exactly the same as the MFE. That is, it receives power from all the sides, but it sends only for one, from this one. But the difference is, it doesn't hold 600,000 EU, it holds 10 million. Pretty sweet. And its output is 512 instead of 128. That means really well, not all the machines can accept it, so we have to do transformers and stuff like that. You will see that in a moment. So let's fill this up, and as you can see, immediately we have a lot of power. So nice. Now in order to lower your power, we will need to place this, and we can break it just like so, because it's a normal LV transformer. But LV transformer cannot transform that kind of a current, so it cannot transfer from 512 to 32 energy units per tick. You need actually to lower it up to 128, and then you can lower it to 32. Now for that we will need, again, where are my, here they are, gold cables, and we need to insulate them twice, and we will need another machine block. Now when you place a machine block and these gold cables, you get an MV transformer. So now with the help of our wrench we will get these machines out and we will place them over there. Now, did I change the mode? Enable. Yeah. First the compressor. Now I will have to go back and forth because, well, I need to charge it, but let me just show you this, how I will set this up. So let's put LV transformer over, let's say over here, shall we? Should be fine. So LV transformer will go over here, and we'll actually disable this. We'll actually save. Ta-da! Okay, this should be good. Oh no, place in a corner. In a corner. It's better that way. So place it over here, and then immediately place this transformer, and that's it. So they will transfer power. So this will have 512 energy units per tick, this will have 128, and that will have 32. Now let's go even further. So let's join this, and let's do this compressor in the end, and as you can see it's getting power and it hasn't blown up. Pretty sweet. So let's get the other machines, but first let's charge this. Okay, so our machines have power, and I just have to place electric furnaces still, and next episode we will get to more advanced machines. So we will finish this setup, finish our machines that we need, and produce some awesome stuff. So see you next time and have a good one.